everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable video chats on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. And here you can see allow video chats option. Now in order to enable it, you'll just have to tap on the button of allow video chats option. So that is how you can enable video chats on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.